We're going to go look at Microsoft again, right? Microsoft, one of my favorite companies. I'm going to show you why. So you have Microsoft here. Let me take off all these levels. I'm going to choose you. And this is how it looks right now. Remember we just said Microsoft took that 30% drop from its highs. It just went down, right? And this is over the course of, what, 154 days. You see it right here. Because each one of these candlesticks represents a full week of trading. These are not daily candlesticks, okay? So every one candlestick represents a full 5 days of trading. So in 154 days, you lost 35% of your money, right? But now let's go ahead. Let's get on the macro chart. Let's look in the macro sense of what Microsoft does over time when you're holding it for more than 3 months. Okay? Let's shrink it in. Let's go down to a monthly chart. All right. Let's make sure they can see it on the IG screen too. All right. So this is a monthly chart, right? And you would say, well, let's say you invested since the pandemic, or even if you started investing a little bit after the pandemic. Pandemic was what, 2021. We're not even going to do those prices back there. I'm not going to make you sick like that. But let's say 2022 you started investing, right? 2022, 2023 you started getting your money in Microsoft. That same company that we're talking about is down 30% now. If you had started investing in, let's say, January of 2023, the very beginning of 2023, you put some money in and you held your money in there. Instead of being down 35%, guess what? You're now up 35, 38%. But look at the time difference. 1,000 days, that's 1,200 days, right? What is that? That's from 2022, pretty much the end of 2022, beginning of 2023 until now. Okay, that's 3 years. That's a 3-year time horizon. Most long-term investments you want to hold for 3 to 5 years. And this is why. You don't want to be in that short-term pullback, get caught in this. But guess what? Now you're already up 38%, and that's with this pullback. So let's just say you got in here and you didn't get caught in the pullback. Let's say you were a genius back in 3 years plus 7% profit. And not only that, you had that same amount of money you initially invested still in the stock. And it's still working for you. You're keeping your money working for you. Even on this 30% pullback, this is nothing to you because you already got all your money out here or around here. You got all your money out with some profit. So now you could sit through this. Okay, it's not going to bother you as much as somebody who bought in up here and now is thinking about quitting trading stocks because they got caught in this pullback. And that's the power. And that is the power and purpose of long-term investing, okay?